friends, I am Tanvi from class 12. You are watching the video of JK Science Academy Islampur. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the IUPAC naming, which is the important concept of organic chemistry. Mostly हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में कार्बन की स्टडी करते हैं. तो इसमें कार्बन के 4 टाइप्स आते हैं. पहला है 1 डिग्री कार्बन, दूसरा है 2 डिग्री कार्बन, तीसरा है 3 डिग्री कार्बन एंड चौथा है 4 डिग्री कार्बन. इसमें स्ट्रक्चर देखो, ये स्ट्रक्चर है और इसे 1 डिग्री कार्बन कहते हैं क्योंकि ये 1 बॉन्ड से जॉइंट है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज, अब ये 2 डिग्री कार्बन होगा बिकॉज ये 2 बॉन्ड से जॉइंट है. इधर ये एक बॉन्ड से जॉइंट है. अब 3 डिग्री कार्बन आपको समझ आया ही होगा कैसे होगा. ये है हमारा 3 डिग्री कार्बन. नाउ द 4 डिग्री कार्बन इज, दिस इज 4 डिग्री कार्बन. तो ये है कार्बन के 4 टाइप्स. After this there is one short point which is known as hydrocarbon. Actually ये बहुत बड़ा है लेकिन हम इतना डिटेल में नहीं लेंगे फिलहाल. तो हम इसके टाइप्स देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट इज अल्केन, second is alkene, third is alkyne. इसका एक फॉर्मूला है अल्केन का CnH2n+2, अल्कीन का है CnH2n एंड अल्काइन का है CnH2n-2. If we take n is equal to 2 or any numerical value, we can put in this formula. So we get n इनकी वैल्यू 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then after CnH2n, here C2H4 and the third one is CnH2n-2. So here is C2H, 2 2 जा 4, 4 minus 2 2. तो ऐसे हम इस फॉर्मूले से इसका डेरिवेशन करते हैं. तो ये है हाइड्रोकार्बन के 3 टाइप्स. इसके बाद एक छोटा सा कंसेप्ट आता है विच इज नोन एज नोमेनक्लेचर. इट इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 टाइप्स. दैट इज कॉमन नेम एंड IUPAC नेम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम नोमेनक्लेचर की स्टडी करेंगे और फिर IUPAC की तरफ मुड़ेंगे. तो इसमें कॉमन नेम आता है. तो कॉमन नेम कैसे निकालेंगे देखो. फॉर एग्जांपल C5H12, ये कोई भी कंपाउंड है, इसको हम पेंटेन कहते हैं. अब इसके बहुत सारे फॉर्मूले स्ट्रक्चर बनते हैं जैसे कि CH3-, CH2-, 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 CH3. ये पहला स्ट्रक्चर. दूसरा CH3-, CH3-, CH2-, CH3 और थर्ड बनता है CH3 डैश C डैश CH3 डैश CH3 डैश CH3। तो इसके ये 3 डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर बनते हैं। तो हम इसको एक ही नाम से नहीं पुकार सकते। सो द कॉमन नेम दिस कंसेप्ट वॉज एक्सेप्टेड। सो हम इसको एन पेंटेन कहेंगे, इसको आइसोपेंटेन कहेंगे और इसको नियोपेंटेन कहेंगे। Why? Because it is the straight and unbranched chain, so it is called as the N-pentane. This is the second structure. The methyl group is on the second carbon, so it is the isopentane. And here the methyl group is on both the side of the carbon, so it is the neopentane. It is some of the part of common name. So now we will discuss what is the IUPAC name. IUPAC, it is the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, established in 1990। इसका पर्पस क्या था कि जो हमने अभी देखा ये 3 अलग अलग टाइप के कंपाउंड्स थे, तो उसका हर एक जगह पर अलग अलग नाम था। तो एट इंटरनेशनल लेवल ओनली वन नेम टू वन एटम और द मॉलिक्यूल इज गिवन विच इज IUPAC name. So it has a general formula which is secondary prefix plus secondary prefix plus primary prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. Oh, what is this suffix, prefix, primary, secondary, root word? I will tell you. First of all, we know about root word. Root word, it represents the carbon atom. For example, we can take C1, C2, C3. It is meth, it is eth, it is pro. This is the root word which represents the carbon atom. Then after, the second one is secondary prefix. It represents side chain. It means branch chain. For example, chlorine, bromine. It is called as a chloro. It is called as a bromo. Then after, the third one is primary prefix. It represents nature of chain. It means the chain is open or closed. For example, this is the closed chain and this is the open chain. Now, fourth one I will write here. Fourth one is primary suffix. It represents bond. Example, single bond, double bond or triple bond. And the last one is secondary suffix. I will write here. It represents functional group. Example, dash COOH, that is carboxylic acid, or dash OH, which is alcohol, and so on. So this is the general formula. Which is most important for the naming of IUPAC. So now we are going to know some rules to number the IUPAC name. So first rule is priority. While naming, we have to give the priority. So first priority is the longest chain. मतलब जो चेन सबसे बड़ी होगी उसको फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देंगे. उसके बाद आता है हमारा फंक्शनल ग्रुप. फंक्शनल ग्रुप के बाद आता है बॉन्ड. उसके बाद आता है कार्बन एटम एंड देन आफ्टर ब्रांच्ड चेन or side chain. Suppose we take an example. This is an example. So first priority we gives to longest chain. This is our longest chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. This is of 7 carbons longest chain. If there is no longest chain, then we turns towards the functional group. In this, the functional group is carboxylic acid. So second priority is for functional group. If in the example there is no functional group, then we go towards the bond. Now in this, everywhere is single bond, so there is no relation of bond here. Then after carbon atom, we have to count how many numbers of carbons are present in the example. Then after branched chain is this. It is also known as the side chain. So this is the priority, first rule. The second rule is numbering. नंबरिंग इन सेंस हम इसमें फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देंगे फंक्शनल ग्रुप को, उसके बाद हमारा आता है बॉन्ड और फिर ब्रांच चेन. So now we take an example. This is the example. We take this is our example. Now we have to numbering. In this there is no any functional group joined. This bond is this diagram is known as bond line diagram. In this there is no functional group. Then after there is no any double bond or triple bond. So now we turn toward the branch. Branch chain is this. So it gets first priority. So we number this from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the methyl group. If the structure will be as like this or this, it is ethyl group, but here is only one line, so we call it as methyl. So we write the name of this as 2-methyl. Here are 5 carbon atoms, so pentane. If here will be any double bond, then here will be pentene. If triple bond, then pentyne. So these are the 2 rules of IUPAC naming. Now we will take an example. In last lecture we have discussed about the functional group according to its sequence. We will take the example according to sequence of the functional groups. If you can't see my last video, please watch it. So according to the functional group, first of all we take the first 3 functional group, that is alkane, alkene and alkyne. So now we will take the example of group alkane. The example is this is the example. Now we have to number 4, 5. We can number from here also and from here also. But now there is one question, from which do we take the numbering, from this side or this side? See carefully. इधर हमें एक मिथाइल ग्रुप दिख रहा है और इधर एक दिख रहा है. तो स्टार्टिंग यहाँ से की तो मिथाइल ग्रुप जल्दी आता है, तो हम ये लेंगे पहले सेकंड वाला, फिर यहाँ एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है तो ये वाला, और 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप है इसीलिए डाई. तो कौन सा ग्रुप है? मिथाइल, तो डाई मिथाइल. और 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कार्बन है तो पेंटेन. Now the second example, we will take सेम हियर आल्सो, हम एक तो यहाँ से भी नंबरिंग कर सकते हैं या फिर यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं। दोनों साइड से देखें तो मिथाइल ग्रुप थर्ड पर ही आ रहा है, सो वी कैन गिव द नेम 3-methyl pentane. Another one example we will take I think you can solve this. His answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means butane. So here these are the examples of alkane. Now we take the example of alkene. This is completed. Now alkene. Example is so now we can number from this because we gives the first priority to the bond. So the bond is on 2 and the methyl group is on the 3. So according to alphabet we use the name 3-methyl, 2-pentane, but it is wrong because the 2 we can write in middle. So the correct name is 3-methyl pent 2-ene. In because we are learning the second bond example, which is alkene group. Now one more example. Now we can number from here also and from here also. The bond is on 2 only, so it will be but 2-ene. So these are the examples of alkane. Now we will take the examples of alkyne. I think examples are sufficient. I hope you are understand this. This is also completed now. Alkyne. The example is so here is the triple bond. Now we number this from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If we number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will be so longer. So from here it comes near. So its name will be hex 2 ein. Now the next example. From here we can number from here. There are 7 carbon and the group is at 3. So its name will be hept 3 ein. So these are the examples of alkyne, and here we completed the IUPAC naming of alkane, alkene and alkyne. I hope you are getting captured what I teach to you. So in next video we will take the another functional group. Till take care and bye bye. Thank you.